Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're not new here, hi and welcome. Consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. So you guys, if you didn't know, or if you're not new here, then you already know. But I do my own nails at home myself. I have a whole little nail cart that peeks through all of my videos just because where's this, but this is my nail cart in this area right here, and I have just everything that I use to do my own nails at home. I am a beginner. Even though I've been doing them on my own for years, I still consider myself a beginner because I'm constantly learning. Okay, Rain. I recently picked up her, and I'm excited about her. I have yet to use her, but I finally have me like a little practice hands, and yeah, I picked her up, and we're going to use her for our demonstration for today. So today's video sponsor is Madam Glam New York, and they were kind enough to let me select some of their gel colors. They also sent a top coat, a base coat, which you need when you're working with gel. Yeah, and I work with gel. I'm trying to teach myself acrylics, but I really just rock with gel, just gel nails. So I'm already familiar with, you know, the UV lamp, not UV, LED over here, the LED lamps and whatnot. So they sent over their little mini LED lamp as well. And yeah, I love that because it's like giving portable and like travel, you know, like if you got to touch up your nails while you're out, need to do a quick little top coat while you're out, maybe on a trip or something, you can carry their lamp with you. Mine's, I cannot, because mine's is huge. Like mine's is a stationary. This is just big. This isn't something I would travel with. But yeah, so theirs came packaged like this. And yeah, I love black, so I love their packaging. But this is how it came packaged, and we're going to get into the colors that they sent over. So like I said, they sent their base and their top coats, and the base coat is what you're going to always use first when you're doing your nails. So the base coat is the first layer, and like I said, that's something that's just giving you a base, giving your color and your polishes just something to adhere to. This is their top and their base coat. I got black because y'all, I was seeing the girls with like some short black nails, and they just been like looking real cute. So when I saw this black, I was like, I think I want to try black. I think I want to do like a set of shorts and just do black with a top coat. Yeah, I got matte top coat too. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do like a top coat with this. So that's what I thought of when I saw this black, and it looks like this. And I have perfect black. This is black too. I love black. I think that's like my favorite color. I love black. I love black. Okay, next I got marble ink. Looks like that. Okay, then I got tortoiseshell. Looks like that. Then I have Dalmatian. And like I said, we're going to insert some fingers onto our mannequin head, and then we'll get into how these colors like actually look. And the other package is the UV lamp. Looks like this. Really nice. Really nice. You have your cord, your charger cord. Some instructions. It looks like this. Oh, so cute. I love the black. I love the black. This is really sleek. This is so nice. Madam Glam, New York. That's how you turn it on. This is really nice. This is really, really nice. If I was the type that like did nails, like that was just like my gig, like doing nails, my salon would be black. Like everything would be black. I would have like some color that would just kind of be like a little pop so that y'all don't feel just like claustrophobic in the black, but it would be like black. Everything would be just black, luxury, and sleek. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna put some nails on her, and then we're gonna swatch these colors out just so y'all can get an idea of how they look. Okay, y'all, so I got my nails on my mannequin hand. I put a ring on her because she was just looking so real. She just looks real. So we got our nails, our polishers, and our lamp right here. And yeah, so we're just gonna get into, sorry y'all, hold on. Let's polish her up. Do the base coat first. So first, we're gonna go in with the tortoiseshell. Now, y'all, I'm not sure if this would look best like on top of another color or just on a color by itself. So I'm just gonna do it by itself. And then, of course, just imagine if your base was another type of color, you know, and how that would probably look. It probably would look really nice. This is really thick. Y'all, the angle that I'm doing this at is difficult. So just bear with me if I'm looking like I'm all over the place applying stuff. It's just, it's the angle that I'm working with. Okay, y'all, so next we're gonna, next we're gonna try, this is Dalmatian. Okay, this is definitely giving like, paint the base white. And then put this on first, and then put this on afterwards. Like do a white nail, and then put this on top. And you probably get these specks that they trying to give, because on the site all these colors look just so pretty, and I do believe some of them had like a colored base at the, you know, at the base of them, like with this color. I kind of feel like the nail color was painted white and then this was placed on top. Y'all get what I'm saying? Okay, so next we're gonna do black ink, and this is like a marbled ink. Looks like this. This is the last color. Too would look so nice like on top of a white nail. Y'all, I might not be putting this on right, but I just don't feel like if you paint, you're gonna get that same effect. So I'm just gonna do it like that. Okay, y'all, so they went under the lamp. Let's put a top coat on. Yeah, the examples that they have of how these colors really look is what made me choose them. I just always wanted just a really, really nice black, because I have a really, really nice white from them as well, and it is like white. It's a really pretty color. Yeah, they have really nice polishes, you guys. If you are like doing your own nails at home like me, or you are a nail tech, like this site really has a nice color range and affordable and just really good quality. Like really good quality. It doesn't chip. Their top coat is really nice. Really nice. I just have no complaints from them, and I have a couple of their polishes in my kit. So I do recommend them to you guys. You won't be disappointed. Okay, that went off. Let's take a look. Like I said, y'all, don't mind my polishing now. Don't mind my polishing, and then don't judge my polishing and base it off of how I like really do nails. This was difficult to film. It was just the angle that I had you guys at. So we have Dalmatian. So we have Dalmatian, the marbled ink, the all black, and the, what was this, the tortoise, like that tortoise shell type of color. And it's really pretty. I feel like this camera is not really doing it the best amount of justice, but you guys would really like this. I really like these last two nails. I'm in love with the black. I feel like I found the perfect black, but these last two, oh, I cannot wait to just play around with some designs. I really want to try this white. Yeah, I'm about to do it real quick. Okay, y'all, so this is how it looks. So this is that marbled with a white underneath. And then this is the Dalmatian with the white underneath. And then this is the marble with no color, just the nail. And then this is the Dalmatian, no color, just the nail. So if you put the white up under it, you really get like that splatter type look. I love that. It's so cute, so different. And this is the marble with the white underneath. It's really cute. Really cute. Okay, guys, so there you have it. Madam Glam, they have really nice quality items for your nails. Yeah, really nice quality items. I definitely recommend. Like I said, I've already had some of their previous items already in my kit already, so I'm very familiar with this brand, and I do highly recommend. Yeah, the mannequin, she came out really nice. Yeah, I like what I picked out. I really do like what I picked out. Yeah, and I think you guys will too. So be sure to check the description box down below for all their information, links, and things like that. And I want to thank Madam Glam once again for sponsoring today's video. And I want to thank you guys for watching. Bye.